Hello, my name is Amber and I'm a technical sales engineer at Smartbear Software. Today, I'll be reviewing the reporting options available in AlertSite UXM. Start by selecting the Performance Reports option under the Reports menu accessible from the dashboard. Begin by selecting the type of report you'd like to create from the various options available. AlertSite contains a wide array of report types that correspond with different business needs. Once you've selected the report type, select the monitors to include, the locations to include, and the time range for your report. Select Exact for a specific time frame or Relative for pre-configured periods including today, yesterday, last 7 days, and more. You can also choose to include report details. Now your report is ready to run. Click on the Run Report button to generate your report. Under the Report Options menu of your report, you can choose to view the report in HTML or PDF, email it, or download it as a CSV file or one of the other formats provided. You'll also have the option to schedule your report to run on a regular basis. Simply click the Schedule option and enter the relevant information in the Report Scheduler window to schedule your report. It's important to note that the option to schedule reports is only available when the Relative Time Range option is selected. Scheduling a report will allow you to create a distribution list to send the report to. When scheduling reports, it's a good idea to give each report you'll be sending a unique descriptive name. Once you fill out the requested information and click Save, you'll receive a confirmation message informing you that your report has been scheduled successfully. Below the Schedule option is the Report API option, which will allow you to pull information contained in this report as frequently as you'd like, so that you can integrate with your own reporting tools to continuously collect data. For the report I've just generated, you can see that the availability for the time frame I entered, yesterday, was 100%. The next graph shows response times for selected measurement locations. Below the response time graph is the Transaction Load Analysis section, where you can see the average, minimum, maximum, and standard deviation times for all test runs included in the report. The response time column is actually represented by the next 5 columns, meaning that the average includes DNS lookup time, connect time, any applicable redirects, first byte time, which is the time it took to load the first byte of data, and content, which is the content download time for base HTML of that particular page. After the content, you'll see full page response time, which represents all of the data that was received from the server to render the page. The last 2 columns show DOM load, which is when the browser received DOM or Document Object Model information, and page load, which is a measure of how long it took the page to fully load in the browser. Below the transaction load analysis, you'll see the full page time distribution table, which includes metrics on the distribution of the total transaction time and individual page times. Next is the status summary, which contains information on the status code, number of test runs, and description information for the status code in question. If you encounter a report with multiple status codes and you'd like to get more information on what those codes mean, you can click the status link to view one of Smartbear's help pages, which includes a full breakdown of all available status codes and their descriptions. Today, I've shown you how to create, schedule, and automate reports with AlertSite, and I've reviewed the basic information contained in a report. Thanks for watching.